from a cold Madagascar to you guys. We're going to do in chapter 7.2, as an example, we're going to do page 325, number 8. And you will see by doing this example, you will see how this section differs from the previous section. What are we adding in this section that we didn't have? Okay, now hopefully you would have worked through your examples on your own in the textbook, and that you've done that and that you're watching this movie now just to make sure you understand. So we are given an equation y is equal to minus x squared plus 4, and we need to graph this. And we set up our table of values as normal, but what we see here is that we set plus 4 here. So in the previous section we just had, for example, y is equal to minus x squared. Now we're adding part of our equation. Now please don't forget what our original quadratic equation looks like. Remember, quadratic equation is this: y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And really we're bypassing bx for now, and we're just adding plus c. So what we're adding here, this is c right there, and this is a here. Okay? So, well, forget about all that, and we're just going to go the normal route, and we're going to see what happens if we take a table of values and plot the graph. What is different when we say plus 4? Okay? So we're going to pick up points. We say this is the list of x points that we choose, and we're going to put in here. So we have minus 3. Okay, so in each one of these we're going to plonk in minus 3. Okay, here we have minus 3 squared, so that is going to be 9, but the sign is on the outside. That negative sign is on the outside, and that makes this a negative 9 plus 4, which make it 5, which is making it 5. Okay?
Just 2.
Okay? Am I doing something wrong?
No, it's okay.
My cameraman is interfering. Okay, so we have minus 9 here, plus 4, and that is giving me minus 5. My cameraman was right. Okay, then we're going to go to the next one. We're going to get minus 9 again here.
But why? It's minus 2 there.
Ah, that's minus 2. It's too late in the day, guys. Sorry, it's minus 2 that I'm plugging in here. Right, and that's going to give me 4, but the negative sign is on the outside, so this is going to be minus 4. Okay, minus 4 plus 4 will result in 0. Okay, and then we're going to have minus 1 plugged into this one. Okay, minus 1 squared is 1, so that's minus 1 plus 4 gives me 3. Okay, and then this one becomes 0. Okay, so that's minus 1 plus 4, that gives me 3. This one is 0 that I plug in here, and that gives me 4. Okay, okay, so let's just check this one again. I want to make 100% sure that we're right. That's minus 1 squared gives me 1, so that's minus 1 plus 4, that's 3. Okay. Okay, now let's move down. We're going to see this one is going to be 1 squared, so it's minus 1 plus 4. What are we going to get here? Minus 1 plus 4, we're going to get 3 again. Okay, so we're going to get 3 again, and here we're going to get, we're going to plug in 2, so what are we going to get here? This will be minus 4, so that will be 0, and then the last value is going to work out to be minus 5 again, because here we're going to plug in 3, and that's minus 9 squared plus 4, that's going to give us minus 5, okay? So, we see that what we have from there onwards down is a mirror image of that. So we're going to go to the board on this side, and we're going to graph this, okay? Pick our points, put in our points, 2, 4, okay. Okay, so Remember, we're plotting, we go back here, we're plotting minus 5 and minus 3 together. So if you go and find minus 3x, here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 for x and minus 5 for y. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5. So here we have minus 5 and minus 2, minus 3 for x. That is a value that's right down here. Okay, it's right down there. Then I'm going to go to the next one. Y is 0 and x is minus 2. So there's that point here. And the next one, y is 3, x is 1. Minus 1. Y is 3, so I'm going to go 1, 2, there's y is 3, and minus 1. There's that point. Okay, and then the last point is 4 and 0. Here. And then we're going to go to the other side. We need to put our points in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so on the other side, 0 and 4 we have. X is 1, there's 1, and y is 3. X, when x is 2, y is 0. There. And when x is 3, y is minus 5. So, right here. Okay, now I'm going to draw the graph itself in red so you can see where it goes. So, let's start there. When you draw these, make sure that the curve is nice and smooth. There we go. And there we go down. Now do you see how this is different from that? A graph of minus x squared would have started here. It would have been there. This would be y is equal to minus x squared. But this one is minus x squared plus 4. So yes, you guessed it right. This c value that we've been talking about, that tells me the y-intercept. So the y-intercept here on this graph is 4. And if I would have gone and I would have said, okay, let's pick this one. Y is equal to x squared minus x squared minus 1. Well, then I would have started here, because then it would have moved one place from the original spot. Now here, at 0 is its ordinary place to be, okay? When y is 0. Now when y has a value, like minus 1, it moves 1 unit down, and then the graph goes down. So what does the c do to it? Here we added c to the equation. C shifts it up or down. Look at that value there. Plus 4 means we shift 4 units up. If it was minus 1, we shift 1 unit down. We say in math language, we say it's transformed. Okay? Up or down. Okay. And I think this is enough for you to understand how to do this. So I'd like you to now go and make sure that you understand this, and then go into the homework folder where you will access homework that you can submit to me. Thank you.